Building robots used to be considered a daunting task by engineers. It required all kinds of calculations and in-depth knowledge. But now, with LEGO Mindstorms, building a robot became so easy, a small child or household pet can make a robot. Excellent job, Ernie.
That was easy.
Today, our team of freshman engineers is getting ready for a group project. They have to create 2 robots to display at the Carnegie Science Center's Engineer the Future weekend. Here, the team is holding a meeting with its client to discuss the project. The project must be completed within 1.5 months. Now, let's get started. The team is using 2 sets of LEGO Mindstorms NXT. Let's take a look at the materials provided. We have the brick, the essential brain of the robot. A servo motor that uses rotation to allow robot movement. Assorted connector cables to connect the brick to the motors and sensors. A touch sensor to detect different levels of pressure. An ultrasonic sensor to measure distances. A sound sensor that detects levels of noise. A light sensor for measuring intensity. And your assorted collection of LEGO pieces. First, the team must brainstorm on the designs of the robots. This is the point where all ideas are proposed and weighed. The team needs to consider the pros and cons of each idea and decide which one is the most beneficial. Once the group has made a decision, it's time for the construction process. The robot construction is now complete. It's time to move on to programming the robots. Our group is using the program provided by the LEGO Mindstorm set. It is a simple application that essentially involves dragging and placing symbols that represent different processes in desired orders. These can be branched out to fit accordingly to the program. This allows easy use for all levels of robot engineer hopefuls. Here we are at the Carnegie Science Center for Engineer the Future weekend. Engineering schools and companies from all around the local area have come to promote to middle and high school students about the possibilities and usefulness of engineering. Let's go see how our team of freshman engineers is doing. Damien here has been designed to detect and travel along a black line using light sensors. The sensor discharges a beam that reads the intensity of light reflected off the surface. This can be used as a basis for the design of vehicles without human drivers. Gerald has been constructed to be able to distinguish and travel around obstacles. The ultrasound sensor on the rotating head releases sound waves and measures the time for them to return. This allows the robot to read the distance of objects and move accordingly. A similar design can be created for robots needed to investigate areas considered hazardous environments for people. Great job, team! With LEGO Mindstorms, beginners can learn the basics on constructing and programming robots. It provides a great introductory step into the vast world of engineering. Who knows what great feats will be accomplished in the future? Maybe even you will be involved in developing new technology for the world to use.